Hey friends, in this lecture we will check how to pass variable to the view, and in order to pass an variable to view in Codeignitor we simply require an associated array. So let's try to do that. In here I have defined an associated array by the name of data, and in this associated array there are three members. The name of the members are var1, var2 and var3. Let's try to check how we can pass this associated array to the view, and which is fairly straightforward. I will simply type in comma and pass the associated array data, and that's it, nothing else. But in order to access these members of the associated array, we need to access it by making use of the name of the member. Alright, one more little thing, I have added one view by the name of display_view inside the view folder in order to save our time. And in this variable I have also accessed these three variables. And how we can access this variable? These would be $var1, $var2 and $var3. And what are these three variables? These three variables are the name of the member of this associated array data. So what is the rule? Whenever we pass the associated array to view, the members of the associated array would become variable inside the view. Now let's try to test this particular function. So in here I have already loaded the URL as localhost/index.php welcome index, and welcome to Codeignitor are the parameter passed for the method index. And if I hit enter, then it will show me welcome to Codeignitor, which is perfect. And if I remove welcome to Codeignitor and again hit enter, it will show me message 1, message 2 and message 3 as expected. So the program is working perfect. But not only it is because I have passed this variable to view display_view. Even if I cut this particular part and paste it directly on header and save this program and rerun this program, even then there won't be an issue. So the rule says whenever we pass any of the variable to any of the view, the member of the associated array would be available to any of the view. So this is how Codeignitor works. In fact, in every web page there would be an header and footer, and we need to follow all these things. We need to load header first, then footer first, and in between we need to load the view. In fact, we can standardize it a little bit more. How we can do that? I will define one extra variable by the name of view and give the name of this member of the associated array as display view in this case. And obviously we will comment all these three lines as if now, and we will add one more line, and the line would be this load view, and this particular load view is a view loader, a small file which is inside view folder load view. And if I double click, the load view is very simple. In here, this particular view, in addition, it will load the footer first and in between the view. Alright, and in here the value of the view is display view. It might confuse you a bit, but it's fairly straightforward. We are passing all this information to load view, and load view is loading header and footer and the view in between. The project files would be available to you guys in order to reference for your quest in learning Codeignitor. Thank you for watching.